I welcome you all to my YouTube channel SLZ Students Learning Zone. Today's topic is tense revisited. This is the first chapter of grammar book, English grammar book of class 10th. Let's start the first chapter, tense revisited. Before learning tense, it is very important to learn verbs and their form. Being a student of class 10th, you have to keep a chart of verbs with you. More you learn verbs, more you will learn grammar. What is time? Time is a continuous flow measured in seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. Time is three types: present, past, and future. Suppose take a time indicating words. Now it indicates present time. Yesterday it indicates past time. For example, Ram is writing a letter now. Here subject text verbs of present is because time indicates is now. So the sentence is in present tense. In second, Ram Dex writing a letter yesterday. Here the answer will be was because yesterday indicates first time. So in this sentence is in first time's result. Recognizing time is more important than tense. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.